Let's draw a rocket ship. Up to a pointy top. Your turn. A fin down here. A fin on this side. A round window. Whoosh, big flame. A little flame inside. A tiny star. One more star. Great job!